Hello, I wish to register a complaint. Hello? Miss? What do you mean, miss? Oh, I'm sorry, I have a cold. I wish to make a complaint. Sorry, we're closing for lunch. Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this pet, what I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique. Oh yes, the Polynesian Red. What's wrong with it? I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it. No, Streston, look. Look, my lad. I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now. No, sir, it's not dead, it's resting. Resting? Yeah, a remarkable bird, the Polynesian Red. Beautiful plumage, eh? The plumage turned into it. It's stone dead. No, it's just resting. Alright then. It's resting, I'll wake it up. Hello, Polly! I've got a nice cuttlefish for you when you wake up, Polly Parrot. Moved. No, he didn't. That was you pushing the cage. I did not. Yes, you did. Hello, Polly. Polly Parrot, wake up. Is this thing on? Hello? Testing. 1, 2, 3. This is your 9 o'clock alarm call. Now that's what I call dead. No, stunned. Stunned? Yeah, you stunned it just as waking up. Look, my lad, I've had just about enough of this. That parrot is definitely deceased. And when I bought it not half an hour ago, you assured me that its lack of movement was due to it being tired and shagged out after the long squawk. It's probably pining for the fjords. Pining for the fjords. Pining for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Look, why the fourth line that's back the moment I got home? The Polynesian Red prefers keeping on its back. Beautiful bird, lovely plumage. Look, I took the liberty of examining that parrot, and I discovered that the only reason it had been sitting on its perch in the first place was that it had been nailed there. Well, of course it was nailed there. Otherwise, it would muscle up to those bars and boom. Look, matey. This parrot wouldn't boom if I put 4,000 volts through it with a worn-out defibrillator. It's bleeding demised. It's not, it's pining. It's not pining. It's passed on. This parrot is no more. It has ceased to be. It expired and gone to meet its maker. This is a late parrot. It's a stiff. Bereft of life, it rests in peace. If you hadn't nailed it to the perch, you'd be pushing up the daisies. It's off the twig. Parrot.exe has stopped. It snuffed it. It's run down the curtain and joined the bleeding choir invisible. This is an expert. Well, I better replace it then. If you want to get anything done in this country, you're going to complain to get blue in the mouth. Sorry, Gov, we'll write out, Parrots. I see. I get the picture. I've got a slug. Does it talk? Not really, no. Well, scarcely a replacement, then, is it? Tell you what. If you go to my brother's pet shop in Bolton, he'll replace your pet for you. Bolton, eh? Yeah, alright. Excuse me. This is Bolton, isn't it? No, it's, Ipswich. That's their city rail for you. I wish to make a complaint. I don't have to do this, you know. I beg your pardon? I'm a qualified brain surgeon. I only do this because they let me in your boss. Excuse me, this is relevant, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's nice you pad these out to 30 minutes. Well, I wish to make a complaint. I got on the Bolton train and found myself deposited here in Ipswich. No, this is Bolton. The pet shop owner's brother was lying. Well, you can't blame British Rail for that. If this is Bolton, I shall return to the pet shop. I understand that this is Bolton. Yes? Well, you told me it was Ipswich. It was a pun. A pun? No, not a pun. What's the other thing which reads the same backwards as forwards? Palindrome? Yes. It's not a palindrome. Palindrome would be not lob. It don't work. Look, what do you want? Nope. I'm sorry, I'm not prepared to pursue my line of inquiry any further, as I think this is getting too silly. Quite agree. Silly. Well, get on with it.